As you see guys, that Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished and Bitcoin still doing like how as we told you. Now it gives us here an indecision candle like how it happened here. Before we reach to that guys, I know a lot of you they want from me the short answer. The short answer guys, also we staying here in a uptrend as you see it. But in overall, also now we are in a downtrend. As you see it, that wave here is an uptrend, but the bigger picture is it in a downtrend, guys. Here, so you need to be careful. The second thing, the Bitcoin it touch here that very stronger zone here. So what is it the view? Me personally, I'm still in my world and Bitcoin going to fall down to that low here to 111k, guys. Remember that, and you're going to see it in the coming days. And not a lot of you don't like that, but that's the view, guys. Bitcoin going to fall down to 111k, and you're going to see it in the coming days. If you want to understand why, make sure to watch that video till the end. By the way, guys, before we continue it, we want that video to reach to 100 likes, and no, you can do it. You've done it before, so please, my friend, if you haven't smashed that like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking, because I need to hear even from you guys. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. And if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. If you are interested in the link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video. And in the first comment, click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You see that one here, see member option. You need to click at it like that. It's going to open for you 3 tiers. We got the first one here. That one is for long term, guys. That means if you want to trade without leverage, we got even that one here. You're going to get all our cryptocurrency services, day trading, swing trading, position, everything. You're going to get it in VIP member. And if you want to get all our services, choose the elite member, guys. So you, when you decide which one to join, click a join, finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps. Still, you're going to be in our VIP Discord. By the way, it's not hard step. If you find any problem to join us, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links, you're going to find them down, and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I show you here, Bitcoin it touch here that very stronger zone here, and it give us here an indecision candle like how it happened here. After that we saw a dump. Let's see now if the Bitcoin from here going to dump. That's possible, guys. Second scenario, the Bitcoin from here going to pump again, because now if we're looking at that head and shoulder as we've been talking about, the target of it, it's be like that. Now we are very close to bring it. Is it exactly here 119? Let's see if the Bitcoin going to go back till 119 or no. Another thing which is very important, guys, watch me, I told you I can do like that, the down channel like that as you see it, and I told you Bitcoin going to touch the top of the down channel, and the top of it is it exactly here at 118, guys. So even that one is possible. If we break in here, it means we break in the top of that down channel here, was going to give us, guys, a big bullish flag, guys, and that one very, very, very bullish, and Bitcoin may be going to go to 130k, 140k if we break in here that 118k, guys. I think I explained everything now. As every Friday, you watching the video in Saturday. Before that, guys, let me show you the trades me are entering them for today. Trades me are entering them for today, guys. As you see it, we got here a long in the Ethereum. That one is hitting the first, second, the third take profit. Very nice profit we make from that long in the Ethereum. I got a long here in the Litecoin, even that one for some time I hold that. I got a long in the XRP. I got a long in Bitcoin. As you see them, guys, in front of you, everything is it here. And I got a long in the Dodge. So those ones the trades of me. Even you, if you want to join us and you want to benefit from our daily signals, my friend, the link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. That, of course, if you are interested. Now let me show you something very important, guys. Before I show you that, guys, before I show you the Bitcoin option and those things, let me show you the liquidity heatmap, guys, because that's very, very important to see it. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heatmap. As you see it, we got some stop losses above here and some down here. So here in 24 hours, we don't got a clear picture. But for us to see a clear picture, as every time we go from 24 hours to weekly, so let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. In the weekly, we don't got a lot of stop losses here. The majority of the stops are down here, guys. So what is it, the view? The Bitcoin going to make a correction at least to that zone here, 113 or below 111k, guys. You need to be careful from those things. The Bitcoin is very close to break for us that uptrend here. I'm going to show it to you and we're reaching to 30 minutes, guys. I think I explained everything here. So what is it, the view? Bitcoin going to fall down to 111k. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen. Now let's going to see Bitcoin option, what's going to happen for all the week, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. If you remember, actually last Friday I haven't recorded a video. All those ones, it's being the levels for Bitcoin option, it's being 111k and 102k. So those was being the level, and the Bitcoin closed the week between that two zones. Yes, I tell it to the people they follow me in my VIP Discord, but here in YouTube I haven't put a video about that. Now let's see for that week what's going to happen for all the coming weeks. So let's go into that page where we're getting those things. As you see it, guys, that the page web, that the coming Friday is going to be 19 of month 9 2025. So let's start from in the money, then we try to find those levels together. So let's doing that together, guys. Here we are, guys. We found the first level here. Is it at 100k? The number of pots 102, the number of calls 0, the total volume there $118 million. So that one, the first level of us, guys, 100k. So now let's find in for level for calls. Here we are, guys. We found the first level here, as you see it, 121. The number of pots here 0, the number of calls here 27 Bitcoin. The total volume here $3.22 million. So those ones the levels, guys, 100k and 121k. Now let's go into chart to drawing the two levels together. Here we are, guys. We set the top level here 121k like that, and we set the down level like that 100k, guys. So that look very bad, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. That means Bitcoin maybe from here going to fall down and it's going to give us that correction here. It's just a correction. After that, we're going to dump. So you need to be careful, guys. Based on Bitcoin option, Bitcoin is going to dump, guys. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's the only things I can tell you. Based on Bitcoin option, Bitcoin here is going to dump. As you see, the low of it, they put it 100k and the top 121k. Let's see what's going to happen. That the view of Bitcoin option, that not our view. Also, we enter based on price action. At this time, there is no price action telling us we need to enter a short. Now, let me show you USDT dominance, guys. Here we are, guys. In the USDT dominance, as you see it, we used to be here. We used to tell you guys it's going to dump. That's what happened exactly. Now we touch here that very stronger zone here, as you see it, guys. That one here is a very stronger zone, exactly at 4.20. Look at it. Now it's showing to us maybe the USDT dominance from here going to pump. Should we be excited? Me personally, not yet. Me, I still have here that very sharp downtrend here. You can come and do it something like that, like a smaller wage, but we don't got nothing, guys, telling us the market going to reverse. So we need to wait it. Look at it. The last time, what happened, guys? A downtrend here. Till is getting broke. That when is the real pump happening? Same thing now. We still have here the downtrend here, and we need to ride it. Me, I'm still thinking the USDT dominance is going to fall down to that 4.13 till 3.99. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen. Everything can happen, guys. If a price action here happening, that means all cryptocurrency is going to dump, guys. So everything is in front of you. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin here in 4 hours. As we told you in yesterday video, we are in a very stronger zone. Look at it, guys. Last time from here we dumped. Now we touch it again. Let's see what's going to happen now. If we are from here going to do like that, that's possible, guys. Second scenario, maybe going to break it, and we're going to see that Bitcoin going back to that zone here, 124k or something. Even that one is possible because Bitcoin option I show you guys, it doesn't mean nothing if we don't got a price action, and that way also we're telling you if you want exactly when us we enter, you can join us. That, of course, if you are interested. Now what we got, we still have here that up channel I show you in yesterday. Is it that one here? Look at it, guys. That the up channel, very clear up channel. And now we touch the top of it. So I will not get surprised if I saw the Bitcoin will like that and fall down to test the lower of it. Not possible. So us, we are ready for everything, guys. Now the Bitcoin here try to give us here like a small a double top here. As you see it, guys, that one here is like a small a double top here. If it falls down and breaking here with the neckline, maybe we can catch a shot. At this time, yes, not yet. We're still waiting what's going to happen. Now let's see our indicator we're saying today. Based on our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here extreme over bot area level. Also, we are in a very stronger level. Look at it, guys. That 115, 997 is a very stronger level. And now also we're bouncing from it the second time. Let's see now what's going to happen. Even our indicator, it touched today the extreme over bot area here in Bitcoin, guys. So you need to be careful. That's the only things I can tell you. Now is going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. Here we are, guys. In the Ethereum, as you see it, is very close to touch for us the all-time high here in that zone here, 47.92. Now what is it, the view, guys? Because that's very important here. If you're looking at it here, that's very important. Is a very stronger supply and demand zone, and the Ethereum touch it again. Now there is one of two. Either from here we're going to see that Ethereum do will like that possible, guys. Second scenario is going to break and to pump more. You guys, I show you here in that channel when it's getting broke here. We told you guys the Ethereum going to pump. Look at it where it is. That way also we catch it. We show it to you before yesterday video. Look where we are now. Now what is it, the view? The Ethereum still have here now like a big triangle, guys. If you're looking with me here, that's a big triangle here. So maybe it's going to touch the top of it here, then after to dump here to touch the lower here. Even that one is possible, guys. You see it like that? So you need always to zoom out to see the bigger picture, guys. There is another scenario, guys. What is it? Is it that one here? You see that one here? That one is a peanut, guys. And if that Ethereum breaking more higher here, it's going to pump more than that, guys. So even that one, it's possible. So me, I show you here for long and I show you for short, guys. And you wait which direction that Ethereum going to go, guys. That's very important. You need to wait it which direction going to go. If is it from here going to dump or is going to pump more. But me, I'm thinking there is a correction going to happen. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, look at it. It touched extreme over bot area. Last time it touched it here, then it dumped. Same thing from that zone here, then it dumped. And now we are in the same zone, guys. Let's see now what's going to happen. If that Ethereum going to dump or not. This time it's still a little bit early. We don't got a price action, guys, because we got two things here now. We got the normal RSI here, is it at the extreme over bot area zone or a level or a supply and demand zone or a resistance. Now also we are in a very stronger one. Should we enter a short? Me, I'm still waiting a smaller price action for me to catch that short, guys. And my view personally, I think that Ethereum going to do like that to stay sideways here. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen. Now let's going to see the Sol or Solana we're doing today. Here we are, guys, in the Sol, same thing. Look at it. The Sol is keep on pumping here. Me, it's hitting for me the stop loss down here because me thinking it's going to down from there. Now share with you everything, guys. I don't hide nothing from you. Look at it now. What is it, the view? Should we enter a short? We need a price action at this time. The Sol doesn't got nothing here. So the Sol is still pumping and the Sol do exactly like how us we told you. Remember when us we show you here that big triangle, guys, that one here. Actually the Sol, it came and breaking the top of it here. So everything's still looking very good now. Now let's see if the Sol going to pump more or from here going to dump again to test that 100 moving average. Even that one is possible, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's in today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, look at it here. You see it here or not? The Sol, is it at the extreme overbought area? Should we enter a short? Me personally, I need an extra confirmation here for me to enter a short. Yes, a lot of things are telling you the market going to dump, but let's wait and see. We got here a very stronger zone at 252. Let's see if the Sol going to touch it or no. Now let's going to see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP, same thing. Look at it. You see it here or no? We are in a very stronger zone here in the XRP, guys. Look at it. Last time from here we dumped, same thing. And now we are in it. Should we enter a short here in the XRP? Me personally, not yet, guys. I'm still waiting the XRP. I know it is going to do like that and it's going to dump. Touch the lower of that up channel here. Then from here you can enter a long, guys. Don't come to me now when the XRP is at the peak and try to enter long now. Now if you enter long now, you never ever try. That's the only things I can tell you. What we got else here? We got here that very sharp uptrend here. If it's getting broke here, you can try to catch a short from there because now you touch a very stronger zone, guys. Look at it here. You see it or no? Look, last time we used to bounce in it. Now, same thing, guys. You see it? So you need to be careful what's going to happen here in the XRP, how you can catch it. Look at it, that very sharp uptrend here. If it's getting broke, try to short it like that, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it in that zone here? Yes, it hasn't touched for us extreme overbought area. Let's see if it's going to pump more to liquidate those stop losses and those ones they entering from those levels, because that's very common in the world of retail traders. They try to enter from levels like those ones and they put in stop loss here. If they enter from here, the market makers, they targeting their stops. Then after that, they dump. So even that one, it's possible, guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, guys, before we continue, I know you stay with us from the start till here. Make sure to smash that like button, my friend. Yes, if you find our content valuable and you get a lot of information from us, please, my friend, smash that like button. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much. Here in Bitcoin, guys, in 30 minutes, what we got here a very sharp uptrend here. As you see it, now we are in it here. Not possible, guys. Maybe it's going to do the same thing like how it done here. Then from here, we're going to pump. Also, yesterday, what we do, we came here, we wait in that one here. You see it, guys? It's breaking for us the first thing, the double top here. We enter a short tail down here. Then we saw it's going to pump. We enter a long tail above here. Same thing now. We got here that uptrend like that, guys. If it's getting broke here, we're going to catch that short. For long, same thing, the downtrend here. Let's see it, what's going to happen now. But based on our indicator, guys, what we got here, if you're looking with me here, we got a very, very clear bearish divergence here in 30 minutes. Should we enter a short? I told you that uptrend here. We need to focus about it if it's going to be broke or no, guys. That's the only things I can tell you here. So that's it for the video, guys. If you want our daily signals, we told you what to do. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.